Omni 3 digital microscope and measurement system incorporates the Ascal Plus, a 30x zoom lens camera module with a host of new benefits for smarter inspection and measurement. Experience unrivaled, crystal clear Full HD image quality from the powerful Ascal Plus, specifically for critical inspection and measurement tasks. Enhanced Ascal Calibration technology continually maintains calibration at all magnification levels, removing the need for manual setup and recalibration, saving time and increasing efficiency. Ascal Calibration technology is unique to ASH systems. Measure in 3D on the Omni 3. Measure parts in the Z-axis in addition to the X and Y axes. Rapidly inspect parts up to 5 times quicker when compared to outdated manual inspection methods. Automatically identify and count the number of objects displayed on screen in a matter of seconds. Increase efficiency whilst completely eliminating human error. Identify contaminants or foreign objects using the Color Analysis app. Improve yield by up to 100% while reducing costly overheads. Full suite of accurate measurement tools are available to efficiently carry out any measurement tasks. Annotations and graticules can be added to images for quick referencing. On-screen preset buttons allow quick access to pre-configured part-specific systems settings. On-screen overlays enable the go, no-go rapid inspection of samples. Spot Focus will rapidly focus on the part, improving focus accuracy, reducing human error and significantly speeding up your inspection time. The Ascal Plus focus time is super fast. Place any part under the camera and it will immediately adjust the focus without having to manually adjust focus or change the height of the part. Quickly adjust the focus level on your part by selecting near or far focus using the manual rocker icon. View true color reproduction of your sample with the Omni 3. Replicate real colors as seen with the naked eye. The Omni 3 has improved depth of field, making inspection much faster and more efficient without the need for changing focus positions or adjusting camera height. Ascal Plus exhibits no video delay. View parts in real time, allowing you to comfortably inspect, rework, modify, and assemble any part, offering a realistic feel with the benefits of a digital system. Stitch multiple images together, increasing your field of view at high magnification. The enhanced image stacking app improves image focal depth to create one high-quality, fully focused sharp image, allowing easy and fast inspection. Compare live images to a stored golden image on a split screen. Eliminate human error and increase throughput for rapid fault detection. Identify defects by alternating between live and master images. Quickly identify the differences between gold and test samples. Remove the need for a costly jig with the power of automatic alignment. Import and export DXF files from any CAD package to create graticules for overlay comparison with parts. Compare your manufactured parts to DXF files in a matter of seconds. Omni 3 incorporates unique real-time lens distortion correction utilizing our new Ascal Plus, allowing inspection of a true, undistorted representation of your sample. Networking enables direct saving to the server or cloud for increased workflow efficiency, traceability, and documentation. Configure user access to specific apps and features, streamlining the inspection process for each user's individual needs. Advanced camera settings give the user more power to enhance the image for a multitude of inspection and measurement requirements. Omni 3. Simply smarter.